have the auto lock feature, but if we want, we should be able just to hit the lock button right now. And you can see it's going to lock it automatically. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Kwikset Powerbolt 2 Touchpad keyless entry system. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in the product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Yes, we had a little boo-boo in shipping, but you can see what that looks like. They walk you through quick installation features on this side. We have a lifetime warranty. This supports up to 6 user codes. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have all of our instruction guide and manuals right here. So we have multiple languages supported. Here's the English guide. You can see that. Walking us through step by step everything we need to know to get this installed successfully and programmed. Then we have our drilling template. We have our SmartKey programming instructions. Then you can see all the additional contents and hardware that we have, from our latch to our keys, different brackets, screws and bolts. You can see the bracket for the lock itself. This top cover slides off. We will need 4 AA batteries. And that just slides right back on. And then you can see the keypad right here. Check it out. All the different buttons, Kwikset logo and branding. We have a regular key slot and our security key slot. You can see the power wire on the back right here too. We'll flip that over so you can see where it's going to connect and everything run through. And we have our nice bracket. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything installed. All right, so check it out. You can see we got the lock installed right here. It looks really nice. Any second, the auto locking feature is going to activate and the lock will come out, but you can see it from the other side right here. So installation's very simple and straightforward. You're gonna drop this in, you're gonna line up both pieces. We'll have a bracket in the back. You're gonna fish your wire through, connect it, and then you're gonna fasten it. We have 2 screws in here and 1 screw right there. And check that out, the auto locking just kicked on and it's working great. It's really a nice lock. And don't forget, we have our 4 AA batteries installed right up there. We can set a temporary one-time code. We can set multiple user codes right here. And don't forget, by default, 0000 is going to be the master code for you to use. And if you want to lock and unlock the door right away without setting up any other codes, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will unlock and lock your door. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to type in our code. And you can see right there, it's working great. And then we have the auto lock feature, but if we want, we should be able just to hit the lock button right now. And you can see it's gonna lock it automatically. So really quickly, I wanted to walk you guys through what it's like to use the SmartKey. This is a fantastic feature and it's very simple to use. I feel like the instruction guide and manual sometimes makes it a little bit more complicated than it really is. Doesn't matter if it's a deadbolt or if you're using just a regular doorknob or anything from Kwikset. As long as it has the SmartKey, you're gonna follow the same procedure to rekey your lock. So first thing you have to do is you have to have the original key for the lock, or what it's currently set to. Once you do, insert that to lock, turn it 90 degrees, just like you see right here. Then you're gonna take your SmartKey, so we have our SmartKey right here, and you can see with the text pointed up to the sky, we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna gently press this in place. So there we go, it's that simple. You just press it, you can see it's kind of loose, that's fine. Take it out. Now we can go ahead, we can remove our key, and we're ready to take our new key that we want to program, and we're going to insert it right in. So here we go. We just inserted our key, and now guess what? Let's turn it back. That way you can see it just locked. Let's turn it the other way. Okay, we can't pull it out there. That's a good sign. If for some reason you can pull this out, it didn't work, and you'll have to try again. But in our case, check that out. It comes right out. Now let's put it back in. There we go. Everything's working as you would expect. And now just for fun, let's go ahead, let's take our old key right here. We can put it in, but check that out. It's not gonna work anymore. So it literally can take you less than like 30 seconds and you've just rekeyed your locks. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.